for today's video is i-configure natin yung part 2 ng Lab 5, which is yung loopback interface configuration. Yung nauna is system configuration dialog. Ito naman is loopback interface configuration. So, meron tayong dalawang Cisco device dito, which is router 1 and R2. Okay, dito naman yung task natin is 1, 2, 3, 4. Meron tayong 4 na task. Okay, so unahin natin yung number 1. Set the IP addresses of the physical interface connecting the two routers as follows and enable the interfaces. Okay, so sa R1 is ang IP address daw na ilalagay natin is 192.168.1.124. Then sa R2 naman is 192.168.1.224. Okay, so unahin natin yung R1. Okay, so enable, syempre connect. Then interface giga 00. Yan, dito natin i-configure natin yung gigabit Ethernet 00 ng ating R1. Then lalagyan natin siya ng IP address. Sa paglalagay ng IP address, ang command na gagamitin natin ay ipadd, add shortcut for address. And then type natin yung 192.168.1.1, then yung subnet mask is 24, which is 255.255.255.0. Okay, no shutdown. No shutdown. Ayan. Then dito naman sa R2 natin, ganun din yung gagawin natin. Sira. Ayan. Configure din natin yung G00 niya. G00, then after this 192.168.1.2. Ayan. Then no shutdown. No shut. Okay, so number 2 is create a loopback interface on each router. So ano nga ba yung loopback? Ang loopback is it is a method to, or ginagamit ang loopback to test and to test the network connection. Test or troubleshooting the network connection. That's the loopback. Okay, so R1 is 1.1.1.1/32 and the R2 is 2.2.2.2/32. Okay, so R1 na muna natin. Type lang natin is int loopback 0. Ayan. Then, lagyan natin yung IP address na 1.1.1. Then, 255.255.255.255. That is subnet mask 32. So, in real life is, ang karaniwang ginagamit na loopback is yung 127.0.0.1. Yun talaga yung ginagamit. Yun yung common na ginagamit sa loopback. Pero ngayon, gamitin natin is 1.1.1.1 and 2.2.2.2. Okay. Then guys, then R2, hanggang din lang ginawa natin. Loopback 0. Then IP add na 2.2.2.2. Okay, so yun, na ano natin. Tignan natin kung okay naman. SH. Okay, so meron tayong loopback dito. Yan. USH APR. And guys, loopback 2.2.2.2.2. Yeah. Then from each router, attempt to ping both the local loopback interface and the loopback interface of the remote router. Okay, so ping daw natin. Yan natin. Ping 192.168.1.2. Okay, success. Okay, so ping din natin yung mga loopback natin. Ayan, success rate. Yan yung isa pa. Ayan. And dito sa R2, Ping natin yung R1 and yung 192.68. Okay, success. Then yung mga loopback natin, ayan. Then isa pa, isang loopback. Ito. Ayan, all goods naman siya. Then number 4 is remove the loopback interface of each router. So tatanggalin natin yung loopback interface of each router. So sa pagtanggal ng loopback is simple lang. Is your configuration terminal, and then no int loopback 0. Ayan. Then tignan natin kung wala na ba siya doon. Okay, wala na. Wala na yung loopback natin. Sa R2 naman, is ganun din lang. Configuration terminal, then no int loopback 0. Then tignan natin do sh IP NPR. Ayan. So wala na rin yung loopback 0. So that's all for loopback interface configuration. Thank you.